The road comes from there up to the other side. We should continue from this direction. Yes.
Yeah, walking this right here.
Promised you, asked me and I said by May.
Let's move.
I promised you that by May it will be completed. Yes, but we are already completed. Sorry?
What's about?
Yes, this is not the project of diplomatic, like I said, sir. The civil engineering we can finish within a year. The electrical, a year and a half to 2 years, depends on the importation. We have to import a substation, all the things.
Make it one line.
Do it's.
Engineering will take 1 year. Then after 1 year, you start the protection. What does that?
Okay, at the end of the day, we have to work according to our means and our capability.
Oh, yes,
Support
that if the funds are there,
if the, yes,
within 1.5 years can complete.
within 1.5 years, we can
Let's move,
complete if the funds are there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're right. Sorry for my way of explanation.
Who hold these assets?
There are certain areas there. What to see, it's not.
Let's go.
Open up. Open up.
Back. Who be this? Guy. Let's. Oh, I better come out now.
Open up.
No.
Okay, so
Ended. Okay, it's a close. Continue. This is a close.
This is a close.
This is a close. Yes, sir.
Yes.
It's a close up to
This is one
about
of Naira services.
200 to 300 meters down, but it is a close. And the two sides are located for clothes.
Stay stated on this station.
Sorry?
At
Yes, we have 109.